Super Rap Part 1. Go. Yeah, buddy. I'm so fresh. I have a black jacket, a red broom, and a cup. Look, it's pretty gray. Yes, I'm gonna put this video on YouTube. I got a hairline. Are you mad? No. Yes, it's recording. It's recording right now. It's recording what I'm doing. So, can't you see, friends? Yeah, I'm fresher than you. What you gonna do? Cause I got a crew. It's Mr. Cup and it's Mr. Mouse. I'm chilling with my phone in my own house. Yeah. People might say I'm dumb, but I got this stuff and I sell in my own gum. I shouldn't do it, cause I can't even chew it. I got braces, man. This is a disgrace, yeah. Doing stuff. That's why I'm the freshest. Oh, yeah. 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 Word.